In this video we will install Ionic to your computer. So go to the browser and write nodejs.org/download. Download whichever version you need. I have Windows computer, so I will install Windows. Click on it. I've already installed the Node in my PC, so it will just download this MSC file, and you just need to install it. And after that, go to this Angular cli.angular.io. Yeah, copy the first command and run it into your command prompt, and you just need to click enter. Okay, it will install Angular to your computer. To run Ionic, we also need to install Angular. After that, you need to install Ionic also. So I've already opened ionicframework.com/docs. So go to the CLI version, copy this command. What it will do, it will install Ionic globally to your computer. Okay, G stands for global. So again, go to the Windows command prompt. Just need to do this. Okay, it will install Ionic. Because I have already installed Ionic, so I don't need to install this or execute this command. Close it. Now Ionic has installed to your computer. Now if you want to make a new project in Ionic, go open Visual Studio Code. If you have not downloaded it, you can download it from the internet. It's quite simple. I don't need to tell you this. Okay, open it, go to the file menu and open folder. I've already made a folder in the in my desktop. So this is the Ionic first folder. I have selected this folder. Now this folder hasn't anything inside of it, so this is the empty folder. What I will do, I will go to the terminal here and I will select new terminal. Now Ionic start Ionic first. Here Ionic start means we are going to make a new project, and Ionic first is the name of our project. Click enter and it will install Ionic first app to your computer.